Hey guys, one of the most common complaints we get is hip pain, especially with people who are at a sedentary job, such as a desk job, sitting most of the time. You get really tight glutes, really tight groin muscles. This is a great stretch to relieve that pain, take pressure off the hip. These are called hip 90-90s. You're gonna sit with your knees bent, back straight, arms back, and you're just gonna bend your knees 90 and 90. And for an extra stretch, if you need it, straighten the back and twist the other way. And then just going back the other way. Hold for a few seconds, twist, and just going back and forth. This is really gonna open up the hips. This is gonna increase that internal rotation of the hips, which is gonna take pressure off of all those muscles that get really tight when we are sitting for most of our day. Give these a try throughout your day at your lunch break before you go to bed. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.